So that's how you turn a fraction into a terminating decimal. I want you to remember always that when we're doing this, division ends when that remainder is 0. That's very important.
Okay.
Okay. So now that I've kind of walked you through it and shown you how to do it, how about you try it now? But before you begin, I want you to remember that you have to make sure that division continues until that remainder is 0.
Okay.
That's a very important thing, so always make sure you do that. So hold on just a second. Let me make you the presenter.
Okay.
All right, so you go ahead and try this yourself.
Okay.
You taking your Thai notes?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So it's 8/5. Just put point 0. Put the point here. So I'm gonna do 8 times 6 is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. It's not 0 yet. I'm gonna add 0. So that is 20. So that is the 8 times, I'm gonna say 8 times 2 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. It's not 0 yet. I'm gonna add more 0. So the 8 times 5 is 40. So that's gonna be 0. So the answer is 0.625 is B.
All right. Very well done. You are correct. The answer is B. And I also like the fact that you kept going until you had that remainder that is 0.
Okay.
So that's very good. And keep those Thai notes on your version. I think that's great. Now that we've kind of looked at how to take a fraction and turn it into a terminating decimal, I want you to look at mixed numbers as a decimal, and I'm going to show you an example. So what we have here is 1 1/4, and they want to see that as a decimal. So the first thing you want to do is you want to write that as the sum of the integer 1 and the fraction 1/4. So 1 plus 1/4. You with me so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So then what you do is you just did what you just did, and you take that 1/4 and turn it into that terminating decimal, which is 0.25.
0.25, okay.
So now it becomes simple. It's 1 plus 0.25, and when you add those together, you get 1.25. So 1 1/4 is equal to 1.25. Sound good?
Okay.
All right. So now, how would you like to try another one?
Okay.
All right.